Dear baby girl, a smart single woman never lets her auto insurance expire. She knows this could be a major money mistake. If your auto coverage lapses for a period of 30 days or more, some insurance companies will increase your insurance rates by 40% or more, even if your driving record is flawless. Underwriters assert that a driver who has not maintained proper auto insurance is a high-risk customer, and the premiums they pay should reflect the increased risk. If you borrow money from a bank, credit union, or finance company to buy a car, and you allow your insurance coverage to expire, they may seek to protect their interest in the car by obtaining single-interest coverage on the vehicle. This coverage is very expensive, and the financial institution can keep the coverage on your car at your expense until the loan is paid off, or until you obtain coverage on your own. From time to time, the smart single woman may shop around to check for better auto insurance rates. If you decide to do this, don't drop the policy you currently have while shopping. Keep it until you are sure you want to change policies and proof of coverage has been issued. When you start comparing companies, don't let the premium quoted by an agent be the only factor you consider when choosing an insurance company. Even though a company may offer a lower price, if the insurance company has a reputation for poor customer service or a poor claims-paying record, a low price guarantee may leave you disappointed after filing a claim. Additionally, take time to review the coverage offered by the companies you consider and compare apples to apples. This means you should compare deductibles, covered losses, coverage limits, and the charges for respective coverages like liability, comprehensive, collision, uninsured motorists, and medical coverage. This is critical because some companies may offer a lower price by cutting your coverage amounts, thereby increasing your potential out-of-pocket costs. In closing, always remember, if you need my help when life seems unfair, you can always come home, and your dad will be waiting at the top of the stairs. Signed with all my love, your dad.